Mobility activity is designed to improve body flexibility and joint mobility, and is suitable for warm-up, flexibility training, and rehabilitation. Find mobility in the activity list on your watch. And press the Start button to start the activity. When you complete each action, use the back button to switch to the next action. When you're done, press the Start button to pause and save the activity. The watch will automatically send the activity summary to the Garmin Connect app. You can also select Training before starting the activity. Select Intervals. Set interval time. And set rest time. Then you can start training. Or you can select Workout Library and tap Browse. Your watch will direct you to the Garmin Connect app to download the workout schedule. Select the training you want. Swipe down to view the workout description and heat map. Select the item to see detailed videos and step-by-step breakdowns. Select Save to My Workouts. Select the watch icon in the upper right corner to transfer your workout to your device. The workout will be displayed in the workout library on the watch. After selecting the workout, press the Start button and follow the on-screen instructions to start training.